Hopefully we don't get sucked up by a tornado. Hey guys, what's up? It's adventure day, and I got a special and unique adventure planned for today. One of our family members, an off-road family member, and an actual family member, pointed out to me that something was going on today. Today just so happens to be content day, and thank you, Jolly, for letting me know this little event was going on. If you didn't tell me, I would have missed it. So I'm taking the opportunity to go to this special event. It's an event marking some history that happened 100 years ago, and we're going to go check it out. If you like hearing some old Utah history, hit that subscribe button. I try to figure out a little bit of history as I go. Sometimes I'm forced to. Sometimes I do it out of curiosity. You never know. So that's the special event. And the unique event is, I don't know if you can tell, it's raining. This isn't normal rain though. It's some leftover rain from a hurricane in Utah. What's going on? This weather's crazy. There's a slight risk of tornadoes today. That's very unique also. Hopefully we don't get sucked up by a tornado. We'll go hear about this history from 100 years ago. The gathering point is up in the mountains. I think it said it was only 9 miles from roughly here. I'll probably get there early. We'll hang out. Maybe get a real good parking spot. I don't know. We'll see how the whole thing goes. I don't know if they are actually going to do it because of the weather, or if they're going to tough it out and actually be here. It'll be cool to see if the guy telling some mountain man stories is a mountain man or not. Let's go learn about Old Ephraim, and we'll try to survive the wrath of Hillary. And that was my subconscious trying to turn on a light bulb bright enough that I could see it. But no luck getting my attention. Off we go. Just out of Logan, up Highway 89, turn right on Temple Fork Road and follow the signs to Old Ephraim's grave. That's where we're headed today. It's been 100 years since the Old Ephraim story began. There's supposed to be a storyteller up here. I'm excited. I don't quite remember the story. All I remember is it's Utah's largest grizzly bear. The last one. I was told the story in Boy Scouts, but that was a long time ago. And I can't remember. Let's go get our memories refreshed. And if you've never heard the story, come hear the story for yourself. So let's go. This rugged 4.5-ton monument is symbolic of a giant grizzly named Old Ephraim, who ranged this area for many years, killing sheep, cattle, and game. He was trapped, shot, and buried here 100 years ago today. Standing upright, Old Ephraim was as tall as this monument. He was 9 feet 11 inches and weighed 1,100 pounds. I'm 6'1" and I can't even reach the top of this monument. This bear was massive. Old Ephraim, your deeds were so wrong, yet we build you this marker and sing you this song. To the king of the forest, so mighty and tall, we salute you, Old Ephraim, the king of them all. Old Ephraim lived from about 1911 to August 1923, also known as Old Three Toes. He ranged from Soda Springs, Idaho to Weber County, Utah. Here's another sign on the other side of the road. Old Ephraim's skull is now back at the college in Logan, if you ever want to go see it. Phew. And now we wait, like this little spider, to see if our storyteller shows up. The rain's coming down now. Hopefully this guy shows up to tell us his story, and then hopefully we can get out of here. Alright, that was a big fat fail. The dude did not show up at 6:30. There was a bunch of other people that showed up at 6:30, and they said they seen a sign that had been moved to Garden City. So now I don't get to hear the storytelling in this guy, because I know by the time I get out of the mountain back to Garden City, he'll probably be already packed up and gone. So unfortunately, this plan did not work out. Sorry everybody. I was hoping to get the story from the actual storyteller, because I'm sure he could tell it a lot better than me. At least I'm in the mountains. That wasn't here when I drove by this morning. I figure I better come and find a place to calm down. So, we're gonna relax on the Logan River and enjoy the scenery. The lesson for the day: I should have done my homework. I should have checked with the interweb, because they did change the location about 5 days ago. And I must have seen a post that was older than that. Oh well, you live and you learn, and you enjoy what you got, and hope for the best next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.